Welcome to our channel. How to configure NetGer extender via web interface. 1. Plug in your extender. Connect the NetGer extender to a power outlet and wait for the power LED to turn solid. 2. Connect to the extender network. On your phone, laptop, connect to the Wi-Fi name like NetGer_extender. 3. Open a web browser. Launch Chrome, Safari, or any browser on your device. 4. Visit the setup page. Type http://mywifiext.net or 192.168.1.250 in the browser address bar. 5. Log in to the dashboard. Enter the default username and password, often admin password, unless changed. 6. Start the setup wizard. Click on New Extender Setup or Setup Wizard option shown on the screen. 7. Scan for available Wi-Fi networks. The extender will show nearby Wi-Fi networks. Choose your main router's Wi-Fi. 8. Enter your router Wi-Fi password. Type the correct Wi-Fi password to allow the extender to connect successfully. 9. Create extended network name. Set the extended Wi-Fi name, SSID. You can keep the same name or create a new one. 10. Save settings and reconnect. Click Apply, wait for the extender to reboot, and then reconnect using the new extended Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.